Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change bank details on Deliveroo. You'd think changing your bank details on Deliveroo would be a quick settings toggle, but nope. It's a bit more official paperwork than that. What I ended up doing was heading over to the Deliveroo Rider support through my browser and searching for bank details. Once I found the right page, it directed me to a form you have to fill out. So yeah, no shortcuts here. Inside that form, you'll need to enter things like your full name, rider ID, and the email link to your account, along with your new bank details. One thing I double check, and you should too, is that the bank account is actually in your name. Otherwise, it might get rejected. After submitting the form, it's basically a waiting game as they process it. Make sure everything is accurate before sending, because fixing mistakes later just slow things down even more. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.